Page 2, Chapter 1, Page 2, Introduction of Operating System. Every computer must have an operating system to work and run other program. It acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. It is responsible for managing and coordinating different activity and sharing resources of the computer. So you have seen this diagram here where a hardware skeleton of a computer system, hardware, CPU, RAM and input and output are there. On that we put software. Software consists of system software known as operating system. Application software are there like MS Word, Paint, and the user are there. So the operating system acts as an interface between the hardware and the user. Please draw a skeleton of a computer system and learn how to draw it. When we open a computer, BIOS is the first program that is loaded into the memory of the computer. Thus, operating system help in booting. Examples of operating system are Android and Symbian for mobile phone. Functions of operating system. Operating system performs the following functions. Since BIOS is the first program that is loaded into the memory of the computer, it helps in booting the computer. It provides a user interface, that is how a user interacts with the computer. It recognizes input from the keyboard and sends output to the monitor. Keep track of files on the hard disk and organizes file storage. Controls peripheral devices or coordinate peripheral devices or share resources such as hardware, printer and scanners. Evolution of computer system. During the days when there was no operating system, the programmer interacted directly with the hardware. These machines were run with a console consisting of display light, toggle switches, input devices like card reader and printer. Each instruction or the program in the machine language was keyed in manually using binary switches. In case of an error, the program halted and the error was indicated by lights. Program had to be keyed in manually again. This job was tedious, time consuming and hence required automation which could make jobs simple. Hence, the first operating system was developed. It was called batch operating system. The jobs with similar need were batched together and executed as a group. Types of user interface. Types of user interface: CUI and GUI. The user interface is the medium through which a user interacts with the computer. There are two types of user interface: character user interface and graphic user interface. The operating system uses the command line or character user interface. User typed the command using a keyboard. There were no images or graphics on the screen in character user interface and did not support pointing device such as mouse. So character user interface gradually became outdated and was replaced by graphical user interface. So DOS is an example of character user interface. It is an operating system that runs from a hard disk drive. It refers to a family of disk operating system, most commonly MS-DOS. You can learn one command of DOS like exit. If we write exit, the exit command ends the current command session. The first disk operating system used in personal computer was PC-DOS, personal computer disk operating system. It was developed for IBM by the Microsoft Corporation in August 1981. Thank you.